Holley's made Gen 3 Hemi swaps even easier now with our Hemi Swap oil pans. Constructed of cast aluminum for extra strength and rigidity, Holley Gen 3 Hemi swap pans were designed to maximize ground clearance and optimize oil capacity. Holley offers oil pan swap kits for the Gen 3 Hemi engines with displacements from 5.7 to 6.4 liters with or without the VVT option. Our mid-sump design replaces the pan on most Mopar passenger car platforms, and they're a perfect fit for anybody doing a swap in an A, B, C, or E-body Mopar. There's also a rear sump option that was designed for Gen 3 engine Hemi swaps in the popular Dakota and full-size D-Series trucks. Some unique features of our Gen 3 oil pan include the O-ring style seal that maintains a leak-free mating to the engine block. There's also an integrated windage tray and baffle that helps reduce the drag on the crankshaft and prevent oil sling and oil aeration. Holley Oil Pan swap kits include the oil pan, pickup tube, baffle, windage tray, and the necessary hardware to get the job done. Get yours in natural, as cast, or black finishes to dress up your engine bay. Make your next engine swap a little easier and trust the pros at Holley. To see our full line of engine swap accessories for your Hemi, visit us at holley.com.